guys, today in this video we'll show you how to use buzzer with LED. Materials needed: jumper wires, breadboard, buzzer, resistor, LED, and a Raspberry Pi. We are now going to connect the LED into the breadboard. We will use black jumper wire to connect its end into the negative side of the breadboard and into the ground. We are going to connect the resistor to the positive terminal of the LED. We will use a jumper wire to connect it into the GPIO 18. And now we will connect the buzzer into the breadboard. We will use another black jumper wire to connect it into the ground. And last but not the least, we're going to use a jumper wire to connect it into the GPIO2. And now here's the code.